everyone. A few people had some questions about how to access the discussion board, so I wanted to hop on and make a quick video about that. So first you want to log into your CourseDen and then select our class. And there's two ways that you can get to the discussion boards. You can go to content like you do every week for our class, look at week 8, and then you'll see article discussion 1 and the board is there. You can simply click there. Or you can go right to, when you're on the home page for the course, right to communication and then discussions. From there you'll see article discussion 1. You'll see all of the other weeks as well for all of our discussion boards. But we're on week 1 right now, so we'll go to article discussion 1. So there's your two ways that you can find it. Right now, we only have one article posted because we are still ahead of the due date for those original posters. But by that due date, there should be a second article. But just for the example, we'll look at this first article. So this is done correctly. The title of the post is the title of the article. So when you click on that, it takes you into the discussion board, into the post. So here's the title of the article. This is the link to the article, the student's reaction and paragraph. So what you'll want to do first is click on the article, read it. You'll see it's about a page or so long. This is a very appropriate length for articles that you could choose. The student found this one on the Chronicle of Higher Education, so this is a great source and one that's recommended for this class. So we're back on our discussion board. In order to reply, all you need to do is hit this reply to thread button, and you can start typing right here. And then when you're ready to post, just hit post, and it'll add it to this same thread. So do not hit start a new thread. Only the original posters start new threads. Your job when you reply is to click on the article, read it, and hit reply to thread. And that's it.